turned into it. Because that was so funny.
No.
Yeah, because everybody, whenever I go to a baby shower, they would always have Jello babies.
What the heck?
That's so weird.
And then when my
I
first
once
nephew was
was
born,
at a
I was like,
baby
I don't want
shower.
to eat
It
it.
was so awkward.
What?
I once had to get a baby shower.
Don't ask.
Why? Why
It
were
was-
you at a baby shower?
Because it was my mom's friend.
Exactly.
We have a special drill this morning. Due to recent flood events across the country, the National Weather Service, the Department of Education, and the Emergency Management System in this state have declared this week National Flood Emergency Awareness Week. All school classrooms are required to participate in a short flood emergency drill today. Classrooms across the country will be participating in this drill to make sure that all teachers and children reach state proficiency level in flood preparedness and school safety training. It is hoped that this short, thorough training and safety drill will increase teacher and student awareness and preparedness for any flooding situation. This drill will take less than 5 minutes of important class time, and then all students will be able to return to more meaningful learning and engagement. Teachers, your students will need a textbook and a straw. Also, teachers, if possible, please take some photos to document our compliance with this important drill. First stage, level 1. Please roll up your pants and use a textbook to cover your head to protect from the rain.
Books on red.
Level 2 flood stage. Please carefully step onto chairs. Level 3 flood stage. Please put straws into your mouth and breathe normally. The straw works like a snorkel to help you breathe.
Alfred. Your mom. I'm considering you up. Don't worry, I'm just drowning right now.
Please carefully step off the chairs for level 4. Continue to use the straw to help you breathe and begin swimming around the room. We will practice swim for several seconds.
Wow. Popular.
I was probably dry.
I feel like I'm getting made
This concludes our flood drill today. Thank you for participating and have a happy April Fool's Day!
What? I knew it.
I knew it.
I really don't know. Oh my god. I can't swim. I'm gonna stick them.
Did you guys hear that? Did you hear everything?
We were walking around the room.
Did you hear everything?
I really wasn't like
The April Fool's Day? Okay.
Oh, gosh.
I muted you guys because I couldn't know. So you guys were like, you guys couldn't,
I know.
they couldn't hear you.
I should have said damn.
I'm just like, this seems a little weird for a flood drill.
I know.
Oh, and by the way,
You were recording.
I have it all on video.